Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how do I use my terminal. So I used Arch Linux earlier a few months ago, so I came back in Debian again. So this is the shortcut key that I use. First of all, you do Control plus Alt and E. So this will bring you a terminal. After that, what you can do is if I want to just split the window, you can do Control Shift then D. So this will do a horizontal split. Then if I want it, then I can do add erase it. So I can do Control Shift E for that. Then I could just create a vertical split. So normally I would have used a Tmux for this, so I don't use it now. So you can see uh, I I did that much. Then what I normally do, suppose I write sudo apt and get install the suppose Tmux, right? So if I want to go back, you can do Control plus A. Then for forward, you can do Control F, right? Then let's create another instance of terminal. So you can create Control Shift T. This will also give you the next tab. So if I want to uh, move on previous tab, so I could do just Control then tab to just move on another tab. So next, what will it be? So next would be Control D. So you can do Control F for forward. Then if I want to go at the beginning, right, you can do Control A. Then Control plus D would delete everything. Or I could just do Control E. That would bring me at the forward. Then I can do Control W to just delete it, and Control W to just delete it. Thank you guys.